Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create rolling text animation in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and as you can see I have added black background to this timeline. And first of all, I'm going to add text to this project. I'm going to click on text, and then we can click on default text, and you can add your text right here. I'm just going to paste my text, okay, and I'm going to make it align with the background like this, and I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, I think I need to make it smaller again. Okay, and if we want to create the rolling animation, we can use the keyframe feature. You can tap on your text and then you can select the keyframe. You can go to the keyframe right here. So this is how the keyframe looks like, and we're going to use it. I'm just going to add keyframe for the position. For the first position, I'm just going to make it out of frame. Drag it down and make it out of frame and add the keyframe like this. And then for the end position or the end keyframe, I'm just going to, I'm going to drag the text, drag it up like this. And then the rolling animation will be created like this. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create rolling text animation in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.